Hello folks, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to use these Finish Powerballs in your dishwasher. So let's begin with the instructions first, or whatever is on this packaging. So the first important thing is that you don't need to unwrap these. So these have a little plastic like coating on them, so when you're adding it to your dishwasher you don't really need to pull that off. And let's take a look at the back. So here it says that the built-in salt function is effective only for soft, medium and hard water up to a certain level. So if the hardness of the water in your area is very high, then you need to use salt and also rinse aid as per like the standard procedure. And here again we have the rinse aid disclaimer or instruction. So rinse aid is recommended for best drying results, so even though you're using this, you still might want to add rinse aid and salt. And this is the detergent container, and this is the rinse aid compartment. So basically we would be adding the tablet in the detergent container itself. Let me just pull out a tablet here. And this is how the tablet looks. So I'm not sure if it's visible in the video, but it has a plastic like coating that does not need to be removed, so you can simply place it in the detergent compartment and then close it, and basically that's it. So I'm gonna load up the dishwasher with some utensils and run a quick cycle, and we'll see the results. So I've loaded a few utensils in the dishwasher, so let's begin with a quick cycle. Currently the machine is set up at a 3 hours and 10 minutes cycle, but I'm not gonna wait for that long, so let me switch it to a shorter cycle. So I've selected 90 minutes, that's 1 hour and 30 minutes. And for my particular dishwasher, which is manufactured by Amazon Basics, for the 90-minute cycle, what it does is there's a washing at 65 degrees Celsius, then there's a rinse, then there's another rinse with 65 degrees Celsius, and the last part is the drying. So let's start the process. And I will pause the video for now. We'll come back when the cycle is about to over or when the washing is done. So the 1.5 hour cycle is done. Now I'm gonna wait for around 20 or 30 minutes before I open the door, because you're not supposed to open the door right away, as there are heated elements in there, and then say steam comes out. So we'll give it a little while and then check how clean the utensils have come out. Alrighty, so 20 minutes are done. Let's open the dishwasher's door and we'll see how good or bad our utensils have turned out. So this bowl over here looks pretty clean, and it's also completely dried thanks to our drying cycle. And this one is made out of silicone. Even this looks super clean and dry. And here's a cup for a sample. So this is again pretty clean. Now let's take a look at some of the dishes from the bottom container. Okay, this one looks sparkling clean. You can actually see the reflection of the product in the dish, so it's pretty clean. And yeah, so that was it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.